For decades, the ocean has guarded its secrets, but some mysteries refuse to stay buried forever.
Deep beneath the crushing waves, our advanced sonar detects an impossible structure, lost for generations. Our remotely operated vehicle descends, a silent sentinel piercing the eternal night of the deep ocean. There it is, One World Trade Center, a monument to human ambition, now a silent cathedral beneath the waves. Decades of ocean's embrace have sculpted a new landscape of rust and life upon the iconic structure.
Above, on the surface, a specialized team prepares the colossal machinery needed to defy the ocean's grip.
With surgical precision, our ROVs attach the heavy lift cables, linking past to present, deep to surface.
Tension mounts as the cables tighten, slowly, agonizingly, pulling the impossible from the abyss.
A monumental breakthrough. The first section of One World Trade Center breaches the surface, reclaimed from the deep. On the Salvage barge, the colossal section emerges, a tangible piece of history, now bathed in daylight.
Securing the precious cargo for transit is a symphony of steel, precision, and unwavering human effort.
Under a sky ablaze with triumph, the Salvage section begins its long journey home, a symbol of hope.
At the bustling port, a new chapter begins as One World Trade Center arrives, ready for its rebirth.
Safely within the colossal restoration facility, One World Trade Center finds its new home, ready for rebirth. Within this marvel of engineering, a dedicated team prepares to resurrect a legend, piece by meticulous piece.
Expert eyes meticulously assess the damage, beginning the monumental task of understanding 45 years of decay.
High-pressure water jets meticulously strip away the ocean's embrace, revealing glimpses of its former glory. Beneath the grime, whispers of its past emerge. Original paint, faint markings, a tangible link to history.
Augmented reality overlays reveal the structure's hidden wounds, guiding our every precise move.
Poring over original blueprints, our engineers connect with the past, understanding every foundational detail.
Advanced X-ray scans penetrate the rust, revealing hidden fractures, the unseen scars of time.
Red for replace, yellow for repair, green to salvage. A meticulous triage for every damaged piece.
Holographic projections guide our disassembly, meticulously planning every cut, every removal sequence.
The first bolt turns, a symbolic release, as we begin the meticulous deconstruction of a Titan.
A sterile clean room emerges, meticulously prepared to safeguard the most delicate, sensitive components. Massive panels are meticulously removed, revealing the intricate, corroded heart of the structure within. Every component, from grand beam to tiny bolt, is meticulously cataloged, a map for its future. A haunting discovery, a waterlogged logbook, a fragile whisper from the past, carefully preserved.
In the lab, metallurgists analyze corrosion, unlocking the secrets of the ocean's relentless embrace.
Climate-controlled storage safeguards delicate electronics, preserving every fragile piece of the past.
The final briefing, a comprehensive plan meticulously crafted to guide the building's monumental restoration. The systematic dismantling begins, each component meticulously removed, categorized, and preserved for its future.
The corroded structural core, the building's very spine, is meticulously extracted with laser-guided precision. Hydraulic lines are meticulously mapped, fluids drained into hazmat containers, ensuring environmental safety.
Every corroded wire, every connection, meticulously photographed and documented before removal.
The massive fuel tank is carefully extracted, a critical step demanding extreme caution and precision.
Inside the sandblasting booth, powerful streams strip away decades of rust, revealing bare metal beneath.
In bubbling chemical baths, decades of corrosion gently dissolve, revealing the metal's true form. Ultrasonic cleaning gently purifies delicate parts, removing decades of grime with microscopic precision.
Metallurgical tests push samples to their limits, ensuring every restored component exceeds original strength.
X-ray imaging reveals unseen stress fractures, a hidden map of the building's deep-seated wounds.
3D laser scanning meticulously captures irreplaceable parts, creating digital twins for perfect replication.
CAD software breathes life into corroded components, digitally reconstructing them for flawless fabrication.
CNC milling machines sculpt aerospace-grade aluminum, fabricating replacement panels with unparalleled precision.
3D printers forge complex titanium parts, layer by layer, breathing new strength into the structure.
Carbon fiber layup reinforces structural beams, merging advanced materials with historical integrity. TIG welders mend the building's wounds, forging new strength with brilliant electric arcs. Hydraulic systems are meticulously rebuilt with new seals and fluids, restoring vital structural movement.
In the electronics lab, vintage circuit boards are reverse engineered, bridging decades of technological evolution.
Modern avionics are seamlessly integrated into period-accurate housings, blending history with cutting-edge technology.
A powerful bearing press precisely fits new components, ensuring smooth, friction-free structural movement.
Precision TIG welding mends stress cracks, fusing new strength into the building's very core.
Massive structural components enter the heat treatment furnace, annealing them for renewed strength.
Calipers and micrometers meticulously verify every dimension, ensuring absolute perfection in every new component.
Restored structural components move into position, guided by robotic precision, ready for reassembly.
Hundreds of color-coded wires are meticulously routed, breathing new electrical life into the structure.
Avionics racks, the building's new brain, are meticulously installed in climate-controlled precision.
Flight control actuators are meticulously rebuilt and calibrated, ensuring precise, responsive structural movement. The navigation system is meticulously rebuilt, integrating modern precision into its vintage framework. Communication antennas are meticulously installed and calibrated, connecting the reborn structure to the world.
The environmental control system is installed, ensuring perfect climate regulation for the building's interior.
Sandblasting gently reveals original gauge faces, uncovering the building's authentic operational interface.
New luminescent dials breathe life into vintage gauges, blending historical aesthetics with modern precision. Modern glass displays are integrated into vintage panels, a seamless blend of past and future technology.
Throttle and control stick refurbished, their tactile precision restored, ready for the building's command.
New seat cushions and harnesses, period correct yet modern, prepare the control room for its operators. A head-up display integrates modern situational awareness, providing real-time data for enhanced operations. Massive structural sections converge, guided by robotic precision, for the building's ultimate reunion. Laser alignment guides ensure absolute precision, meticulously joining the building's colossal sections. Calibrated torque wrenches synchronize the bolting, ensuring every connection meets exacting structural standards. Electrical systems power on, multimeters confirming perfect voltage, bringing the building's heart to life. Hydraulic pressure tests confirm perfect integrity. Golden fluid flowing through transparent lines. No leaks. Control surfaces move through their full range. Gears whirring, hydraulics hissing. A symphony of precision. Internal transport system cycle. Heavy-duty mechanisms moving with synchronized, powerful precision.
Dye-colored liquid flows through fuel lines. UV light revealing any microscopic leaks, ensuring perfect integrity.
Avionics boot up. A cascade of vibrant data, bringing the building's central nervous system to life. Radio communication checks confirm crystal clear signals, linking the building to its ground station.
GPS lock verified. The building's navigation system now precisely anchored to the digital world.
Warning, auxiliary power fluctuating. Zone gamma activated.
Acknowledged. Running level 3 diagnostics now.
Emergency systems are rigorously tested. Fire suppression, power generators, ensuring ultimate safety and resilience.
Fine grit orbital sanders meticulously prepare the exterior, sculpting a flawless surface for its new skin.
A flawless primer coat is applied, a perfect canvas ready for the building's final, iconic colors.
Historically accurate base coats are applied, resurrecting the building's iconic, original color scheme. A lustrous clear coat is applied, protecting the finish, giving the building its iconic, gleaming appearance. Decals are meticulously applied. National insignia, serial numbers, the final touches of identity.
Panel line accenting adds visual depth, meticulously defining every architectural detail, bringing it to life.
Final buffing to a mirror shine, transforming the exterior into a gleaming, reflective masterpiece. Emerging from the hangar, the reborn One World Trade Center bathes in golden hour light, a triumphant reveal. Connecting the ground power unit, a vital lifeline, bringing the building's internal systems fully online.
In the control room, the pilot meticulously performs the pre-start checklist, every system confirmed.
Ignition flares, the central power generation rumbles to life, bringing the building's heart online. The ground crew chief performs the final walk-around, every inch of the reborn structure confirmed flawless.
The grand reveal. One World Trade Center emerges, reborn, gleaming under the morning sun.
From every angle, the restored One World Trade Center stands magnificent, a testament to enduring spirit. Every polished surface, every gleaming panel, every perfect gap reflects a dedication to flawless beauty. The dedicated crew approaches their masterpiece, a silent moment of triumph, their mission complete.
The pilot ascends the ladder, a silent ascent to command, preparing for the building's ultimate test.
Inside the control room, modern displays glow, a testament to a seamless blend of past and future.
Full power, the central generation system ignites, a deep rumble resonating through the entire structure.
Towed to its final operational site, the reborn structure embarks on its momentous journey, a symbol of resilience. Fully operational at its permanent site, One World Trade Center stands majestically, a beacon of endurance. Polished facades, gleaming windows, every detail of the operational building speaks of renewed perfection.
The pilot emerges, a triumphant thumbs up, signaling the successful reawakening of a legend.
The ground crew celebrates, their cheers echoing a monumental triumph, a dream finally realized.
Reborn and triumphant, One World Trade Center stands, a timeless icon, a testament to enduring human spirit.